Are you ready to practice English today? Yes, I am. What is your first name? My first name is Grace. How do you spell your name? G R A C E. How old are you? I am 18 years old. Where do you live? I live in Berlin. Where are you from? I am from Germany. Who is that? That's my friend, Jasmine. What languages do you speak? I speak English and I study French. How do English speakers apologize? You can say, I apologize or please forgive me. What day is it today? It's Friday. Where did you learn English? I learned it at high school. What type of people do you avoid? I avoid negative people. Are you from here? No, I'm from France. Is your town very expensive? Yes, Paris is very expensive. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the piano. What did you study in school? I studied physics. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I have. I went to Canada last month. Is today a productive day for you? Yes, today is a productive day. What time is it? It's a few minutes after 8. Do you have a driver's license? Yes, I have. What days do you work? I work Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Did you meet any cousins yesterday? Yes, I met some cousins. Do you like tea? No, I prefer coffee. Have you been to Berlin? Yes, I have. Is that right? Yes, absolutely right. Is today Thursday? No, today is Saturday. Are you an introvert? No, I am an extrovert. Are you good with technology? Yes, I'm good with technology. Do you easily trust people? No, I trust people slowly. What is your strength? My strength is my patience. Are you health conscious? Yes, I try to stay healthy. What is your favorite app? My favorite app is YouTube. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. Are you a social person? Yes, I enjoy talking to people. What kind of people inspire you? Hardworking people inspire me. What is the best advice you have received? The best advice I received is to stay patient. Do you live with your family? Yes, I live with my family. How many members are in your family? We are 5 members. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Are you a student? Yes, I'm a student. What does your father do? He is a banker. What does your mother do? She is a homemaker. Where do you work? I work in a private firm. What is your job role? I am a manager. How long have you been working? I have been working for 2 years. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. Do you work from home? No, I work from office. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you like reading? Yes, I like reading. What makes you happy? Spending time with family. What scares you? I am scared of heights. Did you learn anything new? Was this helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.